Can we take two different photos on BeReal? In this video, we are going to find out, so let's start. Open up BeReal app, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on Take Your BeReal or tap on this camera icon. Let's head over the camera option. Once you go ahead and do that, if you're trying to take two different pictures, unfortunately, we cannot do it. So what you can do is from here, you can tap on this click icon in the screen. And once you do that, it will take picture, but it won't take picture different time. It will take it simultaneously in the same time. Like it gives the perspective of both your front camera and your back camera at the same time, showing the real perspective in real time. So this application is meant for the pictures to be taken simultaneously at the same time. So if you're trying to take different pictures at different time, unfortunately we cannot do it through BeReal. So if you're looking for taking picture in the same time, you can use this application for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.